How to unarchive a story on Instagram. So if you're wanting to unarchive a story on Instagram, basically what you want to do is repost the story. So you can go to Instagram, go to your profile at the bottom right hand corner, and then go ahead and click the three lines at the top right corner. So here under saved, it says archive, so we'll go there. And you have an option up at the top to go to your stories, your posts, or any of your lives. So I'm going to stay here on the stories. And what you can do is go ahead and click the story that you posted, and go ahead and hit the share button. And what that's going to do is it's going to set this up as a new story. So there's no way to basically unarchive your story and keep it in Instagram, but you're going to have the archive there so you want to repost them, and it's very easy to do. So you can go through, I'll discard this, and we can go to earlier stories. It doesn't really matter how far you go back. You can just go ahead and hit share, and then it will load it up as a different story. So I can just go here, go ahead and hit share once again, and it will load this up as another story to post as a brand new story. So that's how you would technically unarchive a story on Instagram. You can also save the video to your phone or the picture to your phone and then repost them as a regular story. But that's how you would do it, or that's the main reason why you would want to unarchive a story, is just to repost it.